Ever wonder why you sometimes wake up feeling refreshed, and other times, completely groggy? It all comes down to the fascinating science of sleep cycles. Today, we'll break down these cycles, revealing how they impact your energy and overall well-being. Understanding them can help you optimize your sleep for peak performance. Your sleep isn't just one long stretch of unconsciousness, it's a series of repeating cycles, each lasting roughly 90 minutes. These cycles progress through stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, the stage where dreaming occurs. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues and builds energy. As the night progresses, REM sleep gets longer, while deep sleep gets shorter. This shift is why you might remember dreams more vividly later in the night. Interestingly, even slight disturbances during deep sleep can leave you feeling incredibly tired, even if you slept for hours. We typically experience 4 to 6 cycles per night. And here's a surprising fact: your brain waves actually slow down during sleep, shifting from the fast, erratic patterns of wakefulness to slower, more organized rhythms. But what happens when these cycles get disrupted? We'll explore that next time. So, sleep cycles are crucial for physical restoration, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation. Prioritizing consistent sleep schedules can dramatically improve your daily life. If you found this insightful, give this video a like and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Let us know in the comments what sleep questions you have.